Udit, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me number 14? Can you read the question?
Yes, ma'am. Dash is the method used to cook the food items shown here.
So, which is the method among steaming, boiling, frying, and grilling? Which is the method used for making idli, beta?
Boiling.
No, it's not boiling, but something near to boiling. You can't boil idli, beta.
Frying.
Tell me again.
Frying.
No, it's not the fried idli. Better look at the picture. It's a white color idli. You don't make the water boil and keep the idli in it. Where do you keep the idli?
Steaming.
Yes, it's steaming. Excellent. Because you keep the idli in an idli container and you heat it up. So it will be steaming, not boiling. Great. We boil the egg when we eat the egg and it's boiled. Very good. Now tell me number 5, Udit.
Okay, ma'am. Study the given Venn diagram and identify its. Ma'am, X is the radio.
X is?
Radio.
No. How can it be radio? Better you can't. X means such a means of mass communication which is both audio and visual. That is, which is used both for hearing and for watching. So it's not radio, beta. You can
Ma'am,
hear in the
is
radio, but you can't watch the radio. Yes, tell me.
postcard.
First one is newspaper, which you can only read better. You can neither hear it.
Your sound is not audible.
Now am I audible better?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the newspaper, you can only read it better. You can't see the news, neither can you hear it. Radio,
Ma'am,
you can only... Yes?
television.
Very good. It will be television. Excellent, Udit. Today we are going to do about the NSO chapter. NSO chapter means Science Olympiad. So these are the sample questions that normally comes in the Science Olympiad. Let's see what is the answer of this question. Number 14, it is asking about the method that is used to cook the food item shown here. So we can all see this is an idli and the correct answer will be steaming because we don't boil this. We just steam the idli to make it. Steam the materials needed for idli to cook the food. Then study the given diagram and identify X. Both audio, visual and means of mass communication will be television. Okay. You all can follow my next. Okay, is it clear, Avishikta and Srujana, why the first one will be steaming? Because we don't boil the idli in the water. We boil the egg in the water. But in case of idli, what we do, we keep the mixture of idli in the idli container and cover it up and allow the fire to steam the idli. We use the steam to cook the idli. That is the vapor that comes out from that fire that helps the idli to cook, but we don't actually use the fire to boil it. Yes, tell me, Avishikta.
No, ma'am, I am Udit.
Yes, Udit, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the question number 16?
Yes, tell me again, Udit. Yes, I am moving to question number 16, Udit. Just a second. Let Avishikta and Srujana understand number 14 and 15. Yes, Udit?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, that I am not telling. From question number 16, you can give a text.
Yes, I
Who
can.
is winner and who is loser? That game.
You want to play the quiz game?
Yes, ma'am. Who is?
Okay.
Ma'am, can you do the next one, please?
Yes, we can move to the next one, Srujana. Srujana, Avishikta, Udit, everyone, we are going to play the quiz game. Just let me explain this too, and then we will be playing the quiz game. The rule of the game is same. The one who gives the answer will get 2, and if someone gives the wrong answer and someone challenges him or her and gives the correct answer, then he will get.
Ma'am, there will be no options, right? Like that.
No, there will be options. There will be options.
There will be no options like that day, right?
Nana, there will be options, beta. There will be options.
Okay.
Yes.
I thought it would be no options. It is more fun. Ma'am, no quiz tonight.
Why no quiz, beta? Abhishekta, the questions are very easy. I know you will win the game.
The questions are very easy.
Yes, the questions
Very,
are
very easy. Okay, ma'am.
What is happening in the next question? They are asking about X. So X is both audio and visual. So we can only use television for both audio and visual. Why? We can hear from the television as well as we can see it, and in the radio we can only hear it, but we cannot see the radio. We cannot see the news in the radio. In case of postcard, we can only see the postcard or read from a postcard, but we cannot see the news in a postcard, neither can we hear from it. Not postcard is a thing from which we can hear or see the postcard. We can only read from it. And what happens in the newspaper? We can only read the newspaper, but we cannot see the things that are happening in the newspaper. Okay, Shuanshu, Avishikta, and Srujana, is this 2 questions clear to you guys?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you go to the quiz? Ma'am.
Yeah, I'm going to the next question. Just a second. Shuanshu, is number 14 clear to you, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Video for the explanation of those answers. Like, why will it be television? We can all say that we can see the television and we can also hear it. So it is television and not the radio. Because in the newspaper, we can read the news. In the radio, the visual portion is missing. And in the postcard also, we can read it. But neither can we hear it, neither can we see anything. So the correct answer will be television. Please follow my next video for the explanation of the answers. Okay. The next one, let's go to the next slide. Yes. Kettuvalam, this one. Okay, you tell me, Srujana.
Ma'am, the screen is not clear.
Kettuvalams are commonly seen in?
Yes, ma'am. Screen is not clear.
Can you hear me? Kettuvalams are commonly seen in?
Yeah, Kettuvalams are commonly seen in Goa.
Okay. Let's mark you. Anybody wants to challenge Srujana? Or is she correct?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Option B, Kerala.
Anybody else?
Yes, ma'am. I can say.
Yes, tell me, what is your name?
Ma'am, it is Maharashtra.
It is?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay, let's see. Are commonly seen in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala, and Goa. Which is the correct answer? Let's find out. answer will be Goa. It's Goa, beta. So Srujana gave the correct answer, but I am not giving any marks to anyone else because none of them said the correct one and Srujana was the correct one. So according to the rule, if only Srujana gave the wrong answer, then the others can challenge and give the correct answer and earn 5 marks. Excellent, Srujana. Do anybody know what is a Kettuvalam?
I just imagined and guess. It is the boat.
It is a boat. Very good. And what type of boat?
With knots.
With knots. Excellent. So what are these knots made up of?
Core ropes.
Yes, it is made up of rope. Excellent. Very good, Beta. Okay, Amoto, today we are playing a quiz game in which if you give the correct answer, you will get 2 marks. And if anyone gives the wrong answer and someone else challenges and gives the correct answer, then he or she will get 5 marks. Is it clear, Amoto? Amoto, is it clear, Beta? What happened to Amoto? Amoto is not talking. Amoto, are you there? I think it's a network issue. Okay, so what is Kettuvalam? Kettuvalam is a boat which is
With knots. And the knots are made of core ropes.
yes, very good, Udit. So Kettuvalam is a boat which is made up of ropes. No nails are used in it, and the ropes are made in formed knots, and from that knots the boat are made of. Next, see. The Kettuvalam or boat with knots is called so because 4 ropes tied in knots hold the entire structure of the boat together. What happened? There is some rope that actually ties the boat to hold the boat together. During the entire assembling work of the boat, not a single nail is used. So the boat is made up of rope. It is not made up of nail. Not a single nail is used to make the boat. The boat is made of huge planks of jackwood. It is a type of wood that is found from a plant and are joined together with the rope. So the wood and rope actually make this boat and it is found in Goa. That's the simple thing. This type of
This
boat
is
there. Picture of the boat. There is also the picture of the boat here. This is the picture of the boat. Let's go to the next slide. Okay. Amoto, can you tell me this one, number 17?
Hammer.
Amoto, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, tell me, Amoto.
Hummus.
Okay, according to Amoto, it's humus. Great, Amoto, you are correct. Some soil is kept in a clean container covered with lead under the sun. Droplets of water and seen on the inside of the lead. Okay. After few hours, this shows that the soil contains what? It contains humus. This shows that the soil contains humus. A sea breeze blows when the air above the land is. Guys, please pause my
Option B, water.
video. Give your answer. Which one?
Option number 17. Option B, water.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Wait. Someone wait. Number 17C is correct. Very good, Shuanshu. I gave you 2 marks. But when I'm asking someone, please let him or her answer. Excellent, Shuanshu. You are correct. Yes. Number 18, you tell me, Avishikta.
Ma'am, number 17, option B, water.
No, number 17 is not option B. It will be humans. Why should it be humans? Because when some soil is kept in a tin container, beta, and the container is covered with lead under the sun, droplets of water are seen on inside of the lead after few hours. Why? Because okay, Shuanshu, can you explain this? Why the correct answer will be humans?
Ma'am, because when some soil container with lead under the sun, droplet of water are seen inside lead after few hours. That the soil contains some dead plant and dead plant are known as humus. So the correct answer will be humus.
Yes, very good. Because these humans are nothing better. They are made up of the decomposition of leaves and other plant material by the soil microorganisms. So they contain some amount of water in them. And whenever we cover it with a lead or by something, if we cover it, then under the lead, the water will be there. And if you cover the water in a pot, beta, or for example, if you cover the soil in a tin and also you keep the water there, then you will not see any water under the lead, beta. It is because of the soil, because in the soil we put the humus to make the soil fertile, and the humus is made up of the plant, like humus is made up of the plant leaves and other parts of the plant, which is made by decomposition of the leaves and plant parts by microorganism. And so we can see the water droplets on the lead. Is it clear, beta? And the sunlight is used to make this decomposition. Sunlight actually helps in the decomposition with the
Ma'am.
help of the microorganism.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, if the soil is dry, there cannot be water.
Yes, you are correct. If the soil is dry, there cannot be water. But if you give the humus to the soil, beta, then the water droplets will be there. But if you give water in the soil, you can test it in your home better. You give water to the soil, you cover the soil in a clay pot or any pot with a lead or anything. You keep it in a container and cover the container with the lead and keep it under the sun. The water will move away as water vapor. There will be no droplets on water on the lead better. You can even test it in your home.
Ma'am?
Yes, Amoto. For example, I am telling you.
I will get also 2 marks.
Bottle of water in the sun. You don't have to keep the soil also. If you don't have soil in your home, you can keep a bottle of water in the sun and cover it with a leaf. And you can go and see after some time that under the leaf there will be no droplets of water better. Is it clear, Avishikta?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are there droplets of water in case of humans? Because humans already contains water in it. Yes, Amoto, tell me.
Ma'am, number 17, it will be C.
Yes, it will be C. That is humans. Very good, Amoto.
Ma'am, I will also get 2 marks.
But who gave me the answer? Someone gave me the answer and she already got 2 marks. Rujana gave me the answer and she already got 2 marks better. Okay, don't worry, Amoto. You can...
Ma'am, I have not tell anything.
Okay, just a second, better. It will be colder, warmer. This one you can tell me number 8. Colder, warmer. Yes, tell me number 18, Amoto.
Yes, see, breathe, ma'am, breathe. Blows when the air above land is sea breeze blow. Ma'am, blow means option D is the correct, ma'am.
No, no one will
Sorry,
tell me. Wait,
ma'am.
Shivam, let's Omoto tell me. Yes, Omoto tell me.
Ma'am.
Blow means when?
B.
I cannot understand number.
18.
I cannot understand what is the meaning of blow.
18.
Blow means, for example, if something is moving, like if the air is moving, then we call it blow, beta. The movement of air is called blow.
18 answer is
Is it
Ma'am,
clear,
B.
beta?
B.
B. Anyone wants to challenge Omoto?
Ma'am, I wanna.
Yes. Wait, Shivam, do you want to challenge Omoto?
Yes, ma'am.
So, according to you, which is the correct answer, beta?
C is colder and above C is warmer. Option A.
Very good. Excellent, Shivam. Sorry, Amoto. The sea breeze blows when the air above the land is colder and the air above the sea is warmer. So what happened? Because the air over the sea or above the sea is warmer, always remember when the air is warmer, then there is a low pressure, and when the air is cold, then the pressure is high. So because the sea is having a warm air, there we have low pressure, and because on the land it is cold air, so there is a high pressure. So the sea breeze will blow from the from the sea to the land. Is it clear, beta?
No, ma'am.
It's not clear. Wait, let me show you.
I cannot understand. I cannot
Wait,
understand.
wait.
I have
I'm
to
showing
learn.
you. Wait. See, this is the sea. What is the air
Ma'am,
in
can
the
you
sea?
cover this in our class?
Yes, tell me again.
Ma'am, I cannot understand. Can you cover this chapter in class?
Yes, I'm covering it. Wait, I'm explaining it. See, what is a sea bridge? Always remember the air always flow from a low pressure to a high pressure. So what is the sea bridge? It is warm. And what is the land bridge?
Cold.
Yes.
Cold.
Ma'am, this question is which chapter?
It is from sea bridge and land bridge, beta. This chapter is very simple. Wait, I will explain. See, when the sea bridge is warm, then what happens? Shivam, can you tell me when the sea bridge is warm, then what happens? What is the pressure there?
When this side only.
No,
Low.
it's low.
pressure.
Yes, very good. When the sea bridge is warm, we have a low pressure.
Can I answer?
Wait, let me explain this, then you can answer better. Wait. And when the sea bridge is cold, it is high pressure. So what will happen? The pressure will move from which place to which place?
Low pressure to high pressure.
Yes,
Means
very good.
sea breeze to land breeze.
Yes. Now is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Ma'am, can you tell me it again?
Yes, ma'am.
I want to learn it fully.
Yes, surely.
Ma'am, can I show a video?
You want to see a video? Okay, wait. I'm showing you all a video.
Ma'am.
Wait, we will do this chapter. Don't worry.
Ma'am, a little bit, then I will come to this video. It was fun.
Which
Drop the writing stick. You can write it in. Land breeze. Oh. Nah.
It's a sunny day at the beach. As the sun rises, the land warms up faster than the water does. This causes the air above the land to also warm up. Warm air, being less dense, expands and rises, leaving an area of low pressure.
is it audible, Beta? Is it audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Meanwhile, the air over the ocean is cooler. Cooler, denser air sinks over the water, creating an area of high pressure. The differences in pressure and air temperature create a convection current. Warm air over the land is replaced by cool ocean air. This air is warmed by the land and rises, and the cycle continues. Winds that blow from the sea to the land are called sea breezes. At night, the convection current reverses. After the sun has set, the land cools more quickly than the water. Therefore, the air above the land also cools down. Cool air, being more dense, presses down over the land, creating an area of high pressure. Meanwhile, because water cools down slowly, the air over the ocean is still warm. Warm air, being less dense, expands and rises, leaving an area of low pressure over the water.
What is happening?
At night, cool air over land.
Yes, tell me.
What is the meaning of dense?
Dense means, for example, there is some weight of the air, Beta. If the air is warm, then it will have less weight. So it will put less pressure, and that is called low pressure or less dense.
Okay, ma'am. Less dense means warm air and more dense means cold air.
Yes,
Dense
less
means
dense
pressure,
means
right?
it is lighter. It is called less dense because warm air is lighter. It is called less dense, and because cold air is heavier, so it is called more dense. Is it clear, Amato?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is
Moves towards lower
Please.
Yes, Rujana.
pressure over the ocean.
I'm
This
telling
air is
that
warmed by the water
after
and
watching
rises,
this
and the
video, we
cycle
can go.
Yes, we are going back to the quiz. Don't worry.
continues. Winds that blow from the land to the sea are called land breezes.
Is it clear to everyone what is land bridge and what is sea bridge?
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to see the video again.
You want to see the video again? Why is it not clear, Omoto?
No, ma'am.
Okay, tell me something, Omoto. If there is warm air, then what will happen? For example, if the land has warm air and the sea has cold air, then what will happen? Which air will move to which one? Warm air will move to cold one or cold air will move to warm air?
Ma'am, tell me again the question.
See, there
You
is
asked
cold
me.
air. First tell me this one, there is cold air and there is warm air. So what is the pressure difference? Which one has more pressure?
Ma'am, cold air.
Cold air has more pressure. Excellent. So here it will be high pressure. Now tell me, what is the status of the warm air? Does it have low pressure or high pressure?
It has low pressure.
Low pressure. So where will the wind move? From warm air, the air will move to the from low pressure, the air will move to the high pressure, or from the high pressure, the air will move to the low pressure.
Ma'am, can I answer the 19 marks?
Wait, beta, let it get clear to him. Tell me, Omoto,
Ma'am, tell me again it.
will the air move from warm air to cold air, or the air will blow from cold air to warm air? That is, will the wind move from warm air, from the low pressure to the high pressure, or from the high pressure to the low pressure? Which
Ma'am, I
side?
can't understand.
Srujana, you tell me better, the air will move from low pressure to high pressure or from high pressure to low pressure?
Ma'am, the air will move low pressure to high pressure, means warm air to cold air.
Is it clear, Omoto? Always remember the air go from the low pressure to the high pressure. Is it clear, Omoto? Okay, Omoto, you tell
Yes, ma'am.
Omoto, you tell me, is the balloon heavy or lightweight? What is the weight of a balloon?
Very light. Very light.
Let Omoto answer.
Very
Omoto,
light, ma'am.
very light. So it is having,
Very
we can
light.
consider it as a low pressure. So it is moving upwards. So upward there is a high pressure. So it is moving up. Now is it clear,
Ma'am, tell me
Omoto?
again. You are not audible. Ma'am, tell me again it.
See, because the balloon is very light, we can consider it that there the air is having a low pressure. So it is moving upwards. So what is happening? The low pressure, the wind from low pressure or the air from low pressure is moving to a high pressure.
It is warm air.
Is it clear, Amuto?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Is it clear to everyone? Rajdeep, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Avishikta, is it clear to you?
Ma'am, can I answer number 19?
Avishikta, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Udit, is it Udit and Shivam, is it clear to you?
Can I answer?
Wait, Sujana, you can answer. Udit and Shivam, is it clear to you?
No, ma'am.
Rajdeep, is it not clear to you? To whom is it not clear? Is it Shivam, Udit or Rajdeep? Low pressure and high pressure.
Ma'am, I have understood.
Okay, Udit, is it clear to you? Udit, have you not understood?
Ma'am.
Yes, Udit.
Ma'am.
Who is this? Is it Udit?
No, ma'am. Shivam.
Yes, Shivam, tell me.
I have understood, ma'am.
Okay, great. Udit, have you understood? Tell me better, yes or no?
That if there is cold breeze and high dense, that there will be high pressure and low and warm and low dense. So there will be low pressure.
No, if the breeze is warm or if the air is warm, it will be low pressure, and if the air is cold, it will
Yes,
be
I was
high
telling that only.
pressure.
I
Okay,
was
great.
telling that only.
Okay, Shivam. Udit, is it clear to you? Unmute yourself and tell me better.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
great.
ma'am.
It's not clear to you, Udit?
No, ma'am.
Okay, see Udit. When the air is warm, it will be which type of pressure? Will it be low pressure or high pressure? Tell me this.
High pressure.
Very good. No, if the air is warm, it is low pressure. Always remember, when the air is warm, it is low pressure. And when the air is cold, it is high pressure. Is it clear, Udit?
Yes, ma'am.
And the air will move from low pressure to high pressure. Udit, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay. Now, yes, Srujana, you tell me number 19.
Okay. Number D. None of these. None of
Very
these
good.
are safe.
Excellent,
I
Srujana.
cannot see number 20 properly.
Wait, I haven't allowed anyone to see number 20. Okay, excellent, Srujana.
Ma'am,
Yes,
number
Abhishek.
D.
Yes,
Option
very
D.
good.
Option D.
Very good, Abhishekta. Okay, the next one, Abhishekta will tell me number 20. Which of the following activities is safe? It will be
With
none of
2,
this.
I'm getting 4, but
Which
you
of
are
the following
writing 2,
statement
then
is
down
correct?
4. Drop the 2 and write 4.
Okay, I'm doing that. Yes, tell me, Abhishekta. Only Abhishekta will tell me number 20.
Cuttle means
Spans all over it.
Cuttle is a type of fish, beta. Abhishekta, tell me number 20. Abhishekta, can you tell me number 20, beta?
Ma'am, I am trying.
You are trying. Okay, anyone else? Udit, can you tell me number 20?
Ma'am, can I challenge you?
can I
Okay.
tell the answer?
Odi.
I want to also tell. I want to. Can I tell the answer?
Yes, tell me, Shivam.
It is
Air loves
option A.
option A.